Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a ghost effect in your video in CapCut. So first, import your video and copy it. So click on the video and then click on copy. Okay, so make the copied version as an overlay. Click on overlay and align it with the main video like this, and then add keyframe at the start and at the end of the overlay like this, and then zoom in the video on the last keyframe like so, and then after that turn the opacity to 0. Okay, find opacity and then turn it to 0 like this. Click on a check icon and then go to grabs and add ease out one grab. Okay, so this one's right here. Click on the check icon and here is the final result of the ghost effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.